Navigating wholesaling. Trends and insights in distribution. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we're diving into the dynamic world of distribution and supply chain management. These are the lifeblood of any business, ensuring products reach consumers efficiently. Now, let's explore the key facets in this journey. Wholesaling is the vital bridge connecting manufacturers to retailers. It involves bulk purchasing and resale of goods. Imagine a warehouse bustling with activity, coordinating the flow of goods to meet market demands. This process is at the heart of what we call wholesaling. Let's dissect wholesaling further. There are three main types: merchant wholesalers, agent and broker, manufacturer sales branches and offices. And now, let's relate these topics with some of the real-world examples. Merchant wholesaler. These are entities like Costco Wholesale, who buy in bulk and sell to various retailers. They play a pivotal role in ensuring products reach a wide range of outlets efficiently. Take Costco, for instance, which procures products in enormous quantities, passing on the benefits to retailers and, ultimately, to consumers. Next up, we have agents and brokers. Think of them as matchmakers in the business world. They bring buyers and sellers together without ever owning the products themselves. An excellent example is Flexport, a company facilitating global trade by acting as a liaison between manufacturers and retailers. Moving on, we have manufacturers' sales branches and offices. These are extensions of the manufacturer's own arm, managing sales and distribution. Take a look at industry giants like Apple and Tesla. They have their own branches and offices ensuring their products reach the market effectively. Trends in wholesaling. Now, let's focus on the future of wholesaling. There are several trends shaping the landscape. E-commerce and online platforms. The digital realm is redefining how products reach consumers. Giants like Amazon, eBay, and Alibaba.com are revolutionizing the way goods are distributed and sold. Automation and technology integration. Tools like Blue Prism are streamlining operations from procurement to delivery. Automation is enhancing efficiency, reducing costs, and ensuring products reach consumers faster than ever. Sustainability and green practices. With growing environmental concerns, businesses are adopting green practices. This not only benefits the environment, but also creates a positive brand image. Globalization of wholesaling. The world is more interconnected than ever. Understanding how to navigate global markets is essential for any wholesaler looking to thrive in the modern landscape. In conclusion, distribution and supply chain management are the unsung heroes behind the scenes, ensuring products seamlessly find their way to consumers. Embracing these trends will undoubtedly keep your business at the forefront of this dynamic industry. Thank you for your attention.